Hello everyone, we are Team BlueCarbonX. Our problem statement revolves around blockchain-based blue carbon registry and MRV systems. So let me take you to the working prototype. As you can see, we have 4 pages. First one is dashboard, marketplace, submit project and analysis page and wallet page. As you can see, this is a login button, sign up, and on the right side we can see our profile. Currently, we are on the policymaker dashboard. You can see the total carbon that has been sequestered from all the projects, active projects, blue carbon tokens that has been issued, which is the carbon footprint tokens. This map helps us to know our active projects going on. This graph helps us to know to compare carbon across various sites. So this is our recent projects area, which has different projects, location. This is our blockchain simulated TX hash, status, carbon that has been restored per ton. This is our view option. So let's view Sulusi mangrove restoration. As you can see, we have the before images and after images. And here is the generated report from our MRV model. The project data is here, simulated proof of restoration along with IPFS CID, transaction hash, NFT, certificate token ID, simulated token issuance, which represents the carbon footprint tokens. So guys, let me take you to the submit project and analysis page and show how does it actually work. So we are on the submit analysis page. I filled all the necessary details. Let me click on next. As you can see here, we have to upload our before image, here after image. So right now for the demo, we are just showing a simple before and after image comparison. But in the real system, this step will include multiple photos that are clicked from the person who has restored along with the local government bodies, NGO bodies, which are geo-tagged and timestamped, videos, satellite shots and image drone imagery stitched all together. So here there will be a before dataset and after dataset which the AI will compare. All of that to make sure the restoration is proven with accuracies. But for now, let's proceed with this. So as you can see, the report has been published. Here is the biomass estimation, carbon sequestration estimation, IPFS CID, NFT token ID, and the carbon footprint tokens that has been generated. So let me explain what has actually happened in the background. All the images and videos, which are usually large files, are stored securely in IPFS decentralized storage, each with a unique CID, like a digital fingerprint. Then the CID and the AI verified report are recorded on the blockchain through a smart contract. From there, an NFT certificate is minted and based on carbon restored, carbon footprint token are issued and credited into the community wallet. Finally, everything updates here on the dashboard for full transparency. To test the accuracy of our prototype, we are clicking on submit another project. I have again filled all the necessary details, clicking on next. So test the accuracy, I'm pasting both the before images in the after photo as well. Let's see. As you can see, there has been 0 carbon footprint tokens that have been generated. Now let's go to the marketplace. As you can see, you can simulate all the purchases, see the price of each carbon footprint token, sort them, also trade the carbon footprint tokens in this particular page. Now let me take you to the wallet page. In this page, you can see the total amount of carbon footprint tokens, transaction history, type of transactions, description, date, status, and amount of carbon footprint tokens. So this was our working prototype of BlueCarbonX, showing how restoration can be made transparent and rewarding. Thank you.